Hello students, in this video we are going to discuss how to add elements in a list. That is also present in chapter 9. So previous video we discussed what is a list, how to access and everything. Next we are going to see how will you add elements in a list by using three functions like append, extend and insert. Adding more elements in the list. So elements in a list can be added by using function like append, extend and insert. And we are going to discuss the syntax and what is the difference between these three functions. First one is the append function. This function is used to add a single element at the end of the list. So it is used for adding a single element at the end of the list. What is the syntax? List dot append within parenthesis element to be added. So we have to write the list name, then put dot and then write the function name, that is append. Append is a function, so we have to write the parenthesis. So inside the parenthesis specify the element. Only one element or one value has to be written within the parenthesis. So that element will be added at the end of the present string. Okay. So if you see the example, see my list is equal to 34, 45, 48. So it contains three values and I want to add one value at the end, then I can use append function. So my list dot append of 90. So automatically this 90 will be added at the end. So we'll get the, if I give print my list, so 34, 45, 48, 90. So 90 is added at the end of the list. So if I want to add one value, that too at the end of the list, means we have to use the append function. Next one is the extend function. Extend function is used to add more than one element to an existing list. Okay, so suppose I want to add more values at the end of the list, means then I have to use the extend function. Multiple elements should be specified within square bracket as arguments of the function. So see the example, syntax list dot extend parenthesis elements to be added within square bracket. That is, write the name of the list dot operator, then write the function name extend and then parenthesis, then we want to specify more elements. That means we have to write those elements within square bracket and that elements should be separated by comma. So if you miss the square bracket, you will see an error because we are going to add one more list at the end, so that should be given within square bracket. Okay, so if you see the example, my list 34, 45, 48, that is the original list. Now I want to add these three values at the end. Then I have to write my list dot extend of, within parenthesis specify these values within square bracket. Okay, so if I give print of my list, you will be getting the values added at the end. 71, 32, 29 has been added at the end. Next one is an insert function. So insert function is used to insert an element at any position of a list. Previously we discussed about append and extend. Those two functions are used to add elements only at the end of the list. Suppose I want to insert any value at my desired position, means then we have to make use of insert function. Okay, then we have to specify the index where you want to insert that element. So what is the syntax? List dot insert position index comma element. So two arguments you want to give. One is the index where you want to insert and next one is the element to be added. Okay, so example, my list is equal to 34, 98, 47, Kannan, Shankar, Lenin, Vasan. So this list contains how many elements? 7 elements it contains. First 3 are integers, next 4 are string. Okay, now I want to add or insert one element in between, that is at the index position 3 I want to add. So I have to write as my list dot insert of 3 comma Krishnan. Okay, that is the index where you want to insert and the value which you want to insert. So at 3 index 3 I want to insert Krishnan. So print my list if you give, then that will be inserted at the index position 3 and the elements will be moved towards the right. See, if you see this, you can easily understand. So 34, 98, 47, this is the original list and it has the index values as 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now I want to insert this Kannan at the so in this position I want to insert, okay, third in. So Kannan should be moved towards index position 4, Shankar to the next, and Lenin to the next, and Vasan to the next position. Okay. Then I have to write it as my list dot insert 3 comma Krishnan. So in Kannan place this Krishnan has to be inserted. So if you see how it has been inserted. So first three integers are present at the same index position. Now Krishnan in third index, Krishnan has been inserted, and Kannan moved to index position 4, Shankar 5, and Lenin as 6, and Vasan takes the index position as 7. Okay. So this is how we can insert an element at the desired position or at any position which you want. Then in that case we want to specify the index value as well as the value to be inserted. We'll see the execution of the list. Okay, so I'm giving my list is equal to 10, 20, 30. Three values I'm initializing. Okay, now I want to add one value at the end, so I have to write the list name dot append only one value. So you can make use of the append function. Append of give the value to be inserted 0 I want to insert. Okay, now if you print you will see the updation. My list, see 10, 20, 30, and 0 has been added at the end. Next I want to add three values at the end. Okay, then I have to, if I want to add more than one value, we have to make use of extend function. So my list dot extend parenthesis, it's a function, so make use of parenthesis. Inside we are going to specify some list of values. More values means it is a list, so make use of the square bracket. So I am writing 40 comma 50 comma 60, then close the parenthesis. Okay, if you miss the square bracket then you will be getting an error. Now we have given the list within square bracket. See, I want to print the list, so print of my list. So the values, three values have been added at the end, 40, 50, 60. So previously 10, 20, 30 was the original list. I have added 0 by using append function. So next I have added 40, 50, 60 by using extend function. Next I want to add, so I am initializing one more list. Let L is equal to, simply you can give one character as the list name also. So L is equal to, I am writing list, so we have to put the square bracket 1 comma 2 comma, and next I'm going to give some string cat. Okay, so 5 values I have initialized, 4 values, 2 integers and 2 string. Now I want to add one more string at the middle. That means I want to add, after 2 I want to add one string. So the index position for after 2 I want to insert means then I have to specify the index position. So this becomes 0, 1, 2. Okay, so I have to write, so at the desired position I want to insert means then I have to make use of the insert function. So the list name is L dot insert, the function name is insert parenthesis. You want to mention two things. One is the index position at that is index position 2 I want to insert, that means it should come as a third value. So we have to specify the index as 2 comma, then we have to give the value which you want to insert. Okay, now I am going to insert one string dog with the parenthesis. Now if you print the list name is L. Okay, so if you see, so 1, 2, the dog has been inserted in between and cat rat has been moved towards right. So in the index position 2 dog is inserted. So if you want to insert single element, use append. More number of elements, use extend. If I want to insert at any desired position, make use of the insert function. This is how you can add elements to your list.